Big day. I've been wanting to do this one for a little over a decade, but I finally pulled the trigger. I'm going to be recovering this 1985 bench seat for my truck. I'm going from this faded burgundy reddish color, the classic 80s and 90s Chevy, why would you order it color, to just a simple black. Okay, so what's in this box should be a black seat cover for this truck. We're gonna open it up. They claim that it comes with hog ring pliers. If you don't know what those are, that's what holds the actual seat together. I'm probably not supposed to be cutting this with a razor, but when in Rome, right? Who knows? Maybe sent me the wrong thing. I ordered this over the summer. Really haven't had the thought to do this, so. Please have some hog rings in here. So I'm gonna get this opened up and unwrapped and let you know what's in it. Alright, so we get some hog ring pliers, some basic instructions. Luckily, LMC Trucks has a full video on how to do this. And this is the bottom of it. It says to do it in 72-degree temperature or higher. So I'm just gonna start ripping on it. Alright, just before anybody's like, oh, freaking Torx. This is a 1985 Chevy K20 seat. Guess what this is? A T50. Guess what this is? The bolt to it. Food for thought. That went super quick. I'm pleasantly surprised. No holdups yet. So I got all the bracketry off that connects the top and bottom, and I got the bottom bracket off. You have to pay attention to where that wire goes because you have to put it in the same spot. For me, it was just right in the middle, and I just have to undo all these hog rings and then take this cover off. Alright, so I actually have the seat cover inside on top of a vent, and I'm going to take them out one by one. You're going to be seeing me just slide them back on, and I'll put the hog rings back in them and then bolt the seat back together, and hopefully that's it. Alright, I made a mistake. I'm gonna walk you through what I did. So I punched a hole here, and the hole goes there, and these brackets just go back on. But I'm super pleased, super pleased. Think of this like a Mako paint job. It's not gonna be perfect, but it's quarter of the price, or a third of the price, depending on where you get it from. Compared to going to an upholstery shop, you gotta learn a lot of things. I didn't even know what, let me see, where's, yeah, here we are. This is my hog ring set right here that comes with the kit. I didn't even know how to use these. I wanted to do this back in high school. I've had this truck for a long time, but I haven't. And there are some creases and stuff. I'm sure it will come out, but once again, it's not gonna be flawless, and that's okay. I'm not going to a show right now, so I'll get the other side wrapped up and then keep on chugging away and get it back in. And just like that, we have the finished product. I mean, is it OEM? No. Will these creases come out? Probably. It's been in a freaking box that big, folded up. But overall, extremely pleased. I think this looks so much better I'll do a side-by-side comparison photo for you at the end. It took me about like 4 hours. I'd never done anything like this. I wasn't working slave pace. I don't know if I could say that. I wasn't working extremely fast, but I was just enjoying it, listening to some music, got the job done, and very pleased with the results. So, got to put the little covers back on, and that's it. Okay, so this is the seat that I went with. It's right here in the description. Pretty good seat overall. There's some cheaper options down here, $214. This is the LMC Truck 4th edition. I did cut some stuff so I used the front of it, but you can buy replacement foams right here. I opted not to because it's pretty expensive. It would have doubled the price. So for me to get this truck seat done here locally, it was going to be $1,000+, and you can buy this for $240. I believe it was about $40 or $50 to ship it, depending on where you're at. So it was sub $300. I'm going to show you the results. And here's how it looks finished in the truck. Just got it put in yesterday. Obviously the interior on this isn't perfect, but it looks way better with this. It feels pretty good. And as you can see, like, it's not perfect, but they say with heat, it'll make itself way better. And I didn't paint these either. You can paint those. You get new seat belts.